Good afternoon, Bacon here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Defender Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S10. In my last video I showed you guys the Samsung silicone cover for the S10. In my next one we're going to be taking a look at the Presidio grip in glossy black. Those are the three cases that I picked up from Best Buy for the S10. If you guys don't know, if you buy 3 accessories at Best Buy, I think you get 10% off each one of them, so you save a little bit of money, a couple dollars on each one of them. I think this one, instead of being $59, was like $44, $46, something like that. So you save a little bit of money. Best Buy does sell the Defender Pro version, so it's got the microbial defense, and the design is a little bit different from what you find if you buy it from like Otterbox and you get the regular Defender. So here is the case and the holster. The Defenders come with the holster. That is the only series that does. Right here we have the Defender Pro, and the case looks just like that. Right now I've got the Samsung silicone cover that I checked out earlier on. Really liking that case. It feels really good on the phone, and it's a lot thinner than the previous models. Let me go ahead and get this off real quick, and I'll put the phone in and give you guys a look. Let's see. So just pop these off right here. Usually if you get a couple of them started, you can just pop it off. Let's see, we'll take one of the top ones off. Alright, let's see. There we go. So it is off. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. Take this one off real quick. And you're definitely probably going to have to take the Otterbox off to use the power share feature. It should still wireless charge in the Otterbox. I've had all my phones have charged in the Defenders before, but definitely for the power share you're probably going to have to take the case off. Let's see, make sure you get that clipped in on the bottom first. Snap it all back together. Put it in back in the silicone. This case probably has the best screen protection out of all of them. Like I said, I will be doing a full review on these cases after I've had some time to use them. So do look for that. I'm going to be doing a top 3 case video for the Galaxy S10 out of the cases that I have. So that's what it looks like right there. Let me see if, let's turn on. Okay. So apparently your phone has to be unlocked to turn on power share. That's pretty cool, so people can't just steal your juice. So let's put it on the back of the iPhone. Yeah, not charging. So you do need to take this off for it to work with wireless power share, which is kind of a bummer. If you want to use that feature, you're not going to be able to use it in the Otterbox. But is what it is. If you need a protective case, the Otterbox is definitely the way to go. You've got lots of screen protection. The raised edges right here, the screen is not touching. And it feels really good in the hand. It is not too thick at all. Very thin case for what it is, and it offers a lot of rugged protection. Plus you get your belt clip, as always, with the Defender series. So you can carry your phone around just like that if you prefer. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the Otterbox Defender Pro for the Galaxy S10. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll link this down below to where you can pick one up.